Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are all good. As you can see, today's video is a Charlie's nail art haul. I needed to pick up some autumn and Halloween nail art items, so I thought why not share them with you guys. If you do enjoy the video, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So starting up, I will just say that I am a brand promoter for Charlie's Nail Art, so I do have a discount code that I will leave in the description box below, which gets you 10% off if you choose to order. I will also leave a link to Charlie's website and individual links to all of the items that I share with you guys, so that it makes it easier if you are looking to purchase any of those. Now I went for quite a mix of items, so we've got some embellishments, some water decals, some glitter and some foils. First up, we've got these gorgeous golden swirl heart charms. I thought these were super pretty and would just look fab in an autumn set. Here we have the Beyond the Grave nail art wraps. I absolutely love water decals and wraps. They're just so easy to use and a great way to add nail art to your sets. They're really easy to use, like I said, but Charlie does list on the back of all of hers how to use them. I have also got quite a few videos on my channel using them as well. Then I went for this blue metallic foil. Now this might not look very autumn or Halloween, but you will see some Halloween decals further along in the video that I thought it would pair up beautifully with. This particular foil I already had, but I was running low on, so I grabbed another pack of it. This is their black swirl flower foil, and I was planning on using this in a Halloween set when I noticed I didn't have much left. Then we've got these gorgeous 3D skull charms. Again, like the swirl ones, I just felt that these would add a little something extra in a set. I'm really loving embellishments, but I don't really use them too much, so I've purchased a few more in the hope that it will push me to use them more. Then this is the gorgeous silver leopard foil. I love leopard print, especially in autumn, and I loved that this had that hollow background as well. And another foil here, we've got a green one, but I quite liked this because it didn't have a too full-on metallic look, so I thought it would just, I don't know, I like foils that are matte as well, and this had that bit of a matte effect, so I'm really interested in trying that out to see what it's like. And these particular decals, these are their Jungle Fever decals, I believe they're called, and I just felt as though I liked these because rather than being individual images, they're one square sheet, so I can just pick out the more darker leaves and make them work in an autumn set. Same again for these ones. These are the vintage floral decals. I love the fact that it's just a square and you can pick out parts of the image that you want to use. You can just cut out if you just want the flowers or if you want a square, whichever, and you won't have loads of excess wastage. Then we have the Spooky Nights decals. I loved the pumpkins. I mainly picked up this pack for those 4 pumpkins at the top. I really liked them. And then I've got another pack of water decals. These ones are their Toil and Trouble. And I liked these because they've got a mix of autumn and Halloween. So if you were just looking to pick up one pack of decals, then I would definitely go for these because you'll get the most use out of them. And these are those Halloween decals that I said had a splash of blue. I just felt as though, you know, you see classic Halloween, it's green, red, those kind of colours. I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I went for these blue ones. And I just, like I said, I think they'll look fab with that blue foil. And now we have a dot mix. I love dot mixes. I think they're so fun. You can pair them with glitter as well, but I really love them on their own. And I especially like this one because I love how the green and purple work together. So this particular one is one of their Halloween ones and it's called Witch's Potion, and they come in 4-gram packs. Now that was all of the items that I purchased, but because I am a brand promoter for Charlie's, I do get to choose a selection of samples each month. And I usually just choose them when I'm placing an order, so I thought I would share them too with you guys. Now because these are samples, they aren't full-size packs, so if you do choose to purchase any of these, you would receive the full-size version. Now all of the glitters that I share with you guys, I am going to pop them up further along in the video so you see them a little bit better there. But first up we've got Chalk Orange. This is such a stunning mix for autumn. I love these burnt orange tones and I love that it's got a hollow to it there as well. And then I don't feel as though I have too many autumn glitters, so I chose another glitter as well. This one is called Bonfire Night, and this is a bit more of a chunky mix. This has got some quite large hexes in there, which I love in a multi-cut mix. I just love it if they have got a few more larger pieces, but as you can see, it has got the mix of finer pieces in there as well, which is great if you're not too confident working with full-on chunky mixes. Then definitely go for a multi-cut mix like this. And then we have the pumpkin surprise foil. I just thought these pumpkins on here looked really funny, so it would be fun to do a more cutesy fun Halloween set. And then I see this foil and I absolutely loved it. I want this on my own nails as an accent now. Just, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is their floral skull foil. And then we have these 3D pumpkin charms. Again, I just saw these and I thought they looked really cutesy. I think they will go perfectly with that foil that I showed you a little while ago. Just look how cute they are. And again, I think Halloween is all about having fun. So it's one time when you can just do some really silly, fun nails. I just thought I'd show you them up against that foil because they look like they was made for each other. And then we have some glow-in-the-dark stars. I don't really have many glow-in-the-dark items, so I grabbed these to try out. And they're really thin as well, so they'll definitely be perfect for encapsulating, especially in things like builder gel. So I always pot up my glitters. I'm slowly switching all my bagged glitters to pots. So I thought I might as well show you guys them potted up as well, just so that you're able to see the glitter a little bit better than what they are when they're in their bags. So first up, we're doing the Bonfire Nights mix. So this was that one that was a little bit more chunky. And just look at the gorgeous colours that are in there. Definitely recommend this one for autumn and Halloween as well. It worked quite well in a Halloween set. Or of course for Bonfire Night, seeing as it's called Bonfire Night. But just look how gorgeous this is. I will eventually get to the close-up. I was trying so hard not to make a huge mess as well because I was recording. But just look at those gorgeous colours, and it's so holographic. Here we've got the chocolate orange mix. Love this one. This was probably my favourite of all of the glitters that I grabbed today. Not that I grabbed many, to be honest, in this order, but just look at the colours. Especially when I show you it close up, you'll really see how beautiful the orange tone is. And this isn't a too chunky mix as well, so you could get away with encapsulating this in your gel polish top coat as well. I just recommend double top coating. Just look how beautiful that is. I love autumn. I love these, just these autumnal tones. They're absolutely stunning. And now the Fab Halloween dot mix. I loved that this was matte as well. I'm really loving matte nail art at the moment, matte foils, matte glitter. So I really liked the fact that this was matte rather than a mix of matte and shiny like some of the dot mixes are. I've got quite a few of the dot mixes from Charlie's, but I didn't have any that were good for Halloween. And then lastly, we've got those glow-in-the-dark stars. I didn't show you guys these glowing. I haven't actually tried them out yet. But once I do try them out, I'll pop them in a set. I will try and share it on my Instagram or on YouTube just to show you guys how well they glow. But guys, that is the last item, so I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these haul videos. They're not something I do too often because I don't really feel like they're my strong point, but I do like to share what I buy with you all. So yeah, let me know if you'd like to see more, and as I said, please do check out Charlie's if you are looking for any nail art items. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all are safe and well. Take care, and I shall see you all again in the next video. Lots of love. Bye bye.